Hello and welcome. Now, once you have learned how to use the Gutenberg editor to manipulate blocks on your WordPress site, you'll want to go further and learn more about the other blocks that you can create. Common blocks, formatting blocks, layout elements, widgets, and embeds. And in this course, we'll cover some of the other blocks and how you use them in the context of creating content on your site. You'll see not only how to manipulate the elements within the block, as well as the properties, as well as the block properties. In order to size up how the elements work, you'll want to have a good feel for how the controls work, in particular, how you can drag and drop elements from one part of your site to another so that you can see how your elements are going to appear once you have set them in motion. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.